Hey boo, happy Saturday. How are you? I'm doing wonderful. So I figure we can come along and do a little dilly-dally. So right now I am at Mickey D's. I am actually finna take my daughters for lunch. I actually had to stop by Chick-fil-A and get myself some grilled nuggets and a kale crunch salad because y'all know I'm doing the whole paleo and I'm trying to be good, okay? So we are headed to McDonald's, but then we're actually going to go to the mall and go to our favorite place. And I think I'm going to also check out Vicky, and I also want to check out Box Lunch, but let's talk about what I want to do at our favorite place. So hopefully this will be kind of like a short walkthrough sniff with me situation. I'm so excited. The Carrot Charm body mist is available online. Part of me wants to go ahead and check out. I have a 25% off with free ship coupon, and I kind of want to like set that whole setup and then get another one, but part of me is like, you should wait till Monday because we might be getting dollhood out Monday, fingers crossed. So I might want to go ahead and wait. And now talking it out with you, I think I am going to wait. So what I want to do is see if I'm going to be able to pick up Carrot Charm. I hear that one of the candles in the store has the same notes as Carrot Charm, and it might be Carrot Charm in the form. So Carrot Charm says sugar musk. This one had a different note, I want to say, but I'll do a side by side of the notes right here, and I kind of want to sniff it so that I can get an idea of how BB Dubs is doing carrot and if they are the same, if I want to go ahead and check out and purchase it and blind buy it. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll sniff that. Also in the room spray, Forever Cherry Blossom is in the room spray, so I want to sniff that because I'm hearing that we will be getting it in one of our seasonal drops. I already got regular Cherry Blossom, but I heard Forever Cherry Blossom is going to be an online exclusive, so I might go ahead and get that depending on what I think that the room spray smells like. So those are the things that I am going to be sniffing. I'm also going to be checking out Vicky. They have a 6 for $30. I'm not sure if I'm going to get anything with the 6 for $30. No, it's a 5 for $30. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get anything with the 5 for $30, but I figure we could go ahead and sniff and see if some new in the store. A lot of people are sniffing those shimmers. I don't buy shimmer mist, so I probably am going to sniff it, let y'all know what I think about it, but I know I won't be picking that up. And might be sniffing some of those vacations, and we gonna see what it do. So also I want to check out some clearance. Box Lunch online has a cute little sweater, and I want to see if I could find it in the store so I can see if I can actually fit it, because I'm kind of like in between a medium and a large, and depending on what it is, I'm a large. Depending on what it is, I'm a medium. So they only have the mediums available. I don't want to waste my time and my money if it don't fit. So yeah, let's go ahead and sniff. I'm gonna go eat with the girls, and then the next clip we will be in the store looking at the store. Hopefully it's not too busy, and then we're going to sniff some things. You down? All right, let's go. Okay. green. This is the candle I wanted to smell. It's very green, but it's like fresh out the garden. I don't know how I feel about fresh out the garden, but I like the lid. I like the bee lid.
No, that's okay.
And yeah, I don't know. Okay, so here's the Forever Cherry Blossom. This is what I'm looking for. It does not have the original Cherry Blossom DNA. Oh, this one is so much sweeter. Okay, the pear is like not an airy, like fresh pear, but it's more of like a stewed gourmand pear. If it smells anything like this in the Bodycare, I'm getting it. Absolutely loving it. It smells so good. This one smells good. I kind of want to get it to layer with my Walmart Better Fragrances Kiwi Pistachio. I like this. Okay, so we in Vicky, and I guess I'll smell this one. So let's smell this line. They're still 5 for $30, by the way. Of course, they don't have any cards. And first, we're gonna smell the Fresh and Clean. This is the apple. This is way too perfumey. As apple, tangerine, and sea spray. I don't really like that one. Let's put that one back. And we can smell this one. Oop. Okay, so this one is actually pretty good. It has aloe, sea spray, and honeydew. I actually really like that one. And then we have the Warm and Cozy. Yeah, this smells just like the regular Warm and Cozy. Good, how you doing? Hey boo, car haul, car haul, car haul, car haul. Yeah, my bag is loaded up with Vicky's Secret Boo. So yeah, y'all, I got that. I don't know, I feel like I fell. I was in the mall and I fell. And when I fell into Vicky. And long story short, the story got short, okay? So I'm sorry about the lack of footage in our favorite place. It was pretty packed, and y'all know me, I was chatting my off, okay? So I was chatting a lot, so yeah. And then I ended up going to box lunch. I'll do a little haul of my box lunch. I love box lunch, and I hit the lick for box lunch, okay? So I ended up having to do a BOPIS. They're actually going to ship it to home. So that's not a BOPIS, that's a BOPIS. So I bought it in the store. I don't even know what I'm talking about. So I bought 2 sweaters from the store. They were clearance, but in the store they were doing buy one get one free, so they price matched it. So I ended up getting 1 sweater for the online clearance price and then getting another one for free. So I can't wear one until Halloween time, but y'all know I work in education, and one thing about your girl, she gonna be wearing Halloween, okay? So I'm excited, and I love me some Disney, things like that. My kids also got a deal on some candy, so I ended up buying them some high chews. And then I ended up getting some buttons, and yeah, everything came up to like $30, which was lit. So the buttons I got is me and Zora are absolutely stands for Abbott Elementary. So I got 2 of these. They were actually on clearance for 99 cents. So I'm actually going to put this on my work bag, which I love. And then I ended up getting this button to put on my work bag. I often feel like a Power Ranger at work, and if you know, you know. Aisha, where's our girl? Okay, so yeah, and then they got 3 bags of these, so yeah. Okay, so let's see what I ended up getting from Vicky. I didn't pick anything up from our favorite place. I am debating whether I'm going to shop the candles. I think I'm gonna get like 3 of them. And I promised myself that's it, because I'm actually burning 3 and I'm down to my last 3. All right, so here's what I ended up picking up. So I really love the Angel Cake and Cream. I got the mist, so I went ahead and I got the lotion to go with it. Originally, I was like, I'm just gonna use my Milk Bar, but this one is kind of floral and kind of like whimsy, and I kind of want to savor it, whereas my Milk Bar, I'm like going in on it. So I decided I'm gonna just get this one, okay? All right. So then I picked up a set, and y'all, the whole vacation line had me through. Okay, the whole vacation line had your girl through, but I exercised a lot of restraint. So I ended up getting the Pure Vacation, the Pure Seduction in the Vacation. This one is Dewy Melon Salted Caramel, and I'm just wearing it, and that melon and that salted caramel, it's just like so bright and summery. And this is the one where you are walking in a brunch spot and like heads are gonna turn because you just smell so good with your sundress on, with your Louis Vuitton Speedy, okay, and your sandals. I literally cannot wait. So I actually don't have anything like this in my collection that I could pair with it, so I decided to get the actual lotion, and I'm loving that. So yeah, I ended up getting that. I ended up having to get the Bare Vanilla Vacation. I feel like this is going to smell so good with my sunscreen coconuts, my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. This one is Solar Vanilla Agave Woods, and yeah, y'all. And I smelled their new Bombshell. It's another sunscreen coconut, y'all. The summer, Vicky, yeah, so good. Like, yeah, so good. So I actually ended up getting the body lotion to go with that one. So yeah. And then lastly, I picked up a pink mist. I picked up this Tropical Mango, Juicy Guava, and Color Kiwi, and this one is in Cutie Fruity. I think I'm liking kiwi. I want to wear it with my star fruit and kiwi. I think that's what it's called. I want to wear it with my kiwi and pistachio by Better Homes and Fragrances, and I'm loving some kiwi, so I ended up getting the body lotion as well. And yeah, so if you are shopping Vicky, let me know. Also, pro tip, if you are going in the store, make sure that your lotion has a sealant, because something told me to check and like half of mine didn't. So make sure that you check. My total out of pocket, girl, I ain't had no coupons or nothing, was $44.94. I did get a score for it though. So I gotta do another Unhaul, child. I don't know, honey. I don't know how this gonna work, because I'm tired of unhauling. So yeah, boo. Now we're gonna go get some drinks because we are parched. And then I'm about to cook. I'm going to probably make some steak bagels with some homemade steak fries. And I can't have a bagel, but I'm going to have the meat and the fries, and probably put the meat on top of like a salad, like do like an open face cheese steak type situation. Obviously no cheese. And yeah, it's been a good day. Thank y'all for coming along with me. Sorry about the lack of footage. It was very busy in these stores, okay? I will talk to y'all in the next video. Love you, bye.